Hello children, today I am going to teach you mixing, simple mixing with the poster colors. Okay, those who are new for the poster colors, they are afraid how to mix the color, how much water quantity you want to take, that everything I will tell you in this. And in this we will do direct with the paint, no pencil, no eraser. Okay, paintbrush of different sizes and warm colors. Warm colors means in this there is no colors of the blue family, like chrome yellow, black, orange, red and lemon yellow we have taken. After that you have to take white color and water, waste cloth. Let's start. First you have to take water. Okay, dip your brush and see, it's water is coming. See, I didn't do nothing. Now you have to apply water in your sheet, like see. When you have to dip it again, when your brush is like this much, see, no water is there, again you have to dip it and apply water in the sheet. Okay, now again my brush is dry now. Now again I have to take water and I have to apply where I didn't apply water yet. Okay, now again my brush is dry, so I will take water and apply here. Okay, quickly children, you have to do the steps. Now first you have to take the red color in your brush. Okay, apply on the top. So move your brush direction into right to left or left to right. Okay, till here I done it. Now wash your brush and make it dry. Now take it orange color and apply first in the red color. See, first I am going in the red, then I am slowly going down. Now go on the top, then again come down. See. Okay, now take it chrome yellow and do it first down, then go to up. Up means on the orange color. Now don't come down, okay, little only you have to come. Now wash your brush and make it dry. Again you have to go up only. Again wash your brush, make it dry and from yellow go to up. Don't come down, otherwise yellow will be converted into orange. We have to mix the color only, okay. See, there is no line, only mixing. Now you have to take the lemon yellow and go down. Mix it with the chrome yellow. In this you can come down and go up itself in the orange, in the yellow only. Don't go to the orange, otherwise both color convert into orange. Now see, again I am going up only, I will not come down. Now wash your brush, make it dry. Again from down to up you can go it. Now wash your brush, again make it dry and up only. See the mixing. Got it? Red, orange, yellow and lemon yellow. Okay children, now make it dry and next step after drying you have to do it. See children, now it is dry. Now you have to take white color in your brush. Okay, and you have to spread it. See, we done it with the white drops. Some are big, some are small. Like this you have to make to the whole sheet. Okay children, now you have to take black paint and very thin brush. Okay, and you have to make buildings. Don't go up more than from the yellow part. Okay children, draw in this full. See, we drawn the buildings. Some are big till orange only, and till orange and yellow middle only. Okay, like 3 buildings are going till orange, others are still yellows. Okay children, and don't think that is the day scene and stars are there. But when the sunset is going on, you can able to see little stars and the moon, right? So this is for that, and drawing is for imagination only, not like that anything. So here we will draw one small shape of moon, little white, and we will draw here. You have to mix the white with the background color, because when the sunset is there, it is visible light only. Okay, so we will mix with the color. See, we done it. Now see, it's like a beautiful scenery of the city. See, little moon is there, stars and building. Okay, don't make the lights in the building right now, because when the sunset is there, no light is there. In the night only we are going to on the lights, so don't make it. Okay children, my main motive is to teach you the background. You can use any colors, like blue family colors or a red family colors, any colors you can use it. But I have to main motive is for teaching the background color, like 4 colors we have done and how it is going to look. See, anything you can draw instead of the building, whatever you like, you can do that also. Okay children, thank you.